Elizabeth okwaduoge kaunti ma Kisumu ene ni tend kaunti ma Kisumu keto chenro mar dongo tie pi nam Lolwe mondo mi ober uchumi kokadho e nam. Gavana ma Kisumu Ngira Nyang'nyong'o wacho ni giseketo kenge mar tiyo kanyachiel gi migepe moko mathoth ahinya e keto dho nam okel yuto ka itiyo to kod nam e weche mathoth ahinya tero kata kelo mwandu e gwenge mago moluoro nam Lolwe. Bende koro kwa jopiny gi jogo matiyo kod nam Lolwe mondo odag anena ma onge to kod wach mar ketho alwora nikech namgo bende koro nyalo miyo uchumi mar gwenge omed idho malo.
The other issue is the issue of safe transport on the lake, both by small boats and big ships, but also by the kind of boats that would be individually owned for leisure and the hospitality industry, you know. This requires a lot of operators to come together and make sure that one, the building of the boats and the ships is done here with the cooperation of Kenya Ports Authority, Kenya Maritime Authority, and so on. If this, we can facilitate doing this from a one-stop shop, that Lakefront Development Corporation, we as a county will have done our part. And finally, the opening up of the lake. We have requested the Lakefront Development Corporation to build a promenade around the lake. We are cooperating with the Kenya Roads Board to do this because we want a government-to-government relationship to build this kind of promenade. Now, all these things are going on, and we hope that with the next 3 years we shall see tremendous output in this regard.